Today we discuss the last topic, that is CloudFront CDNS. CDNS అంటే కంటెంట్ డెలివరీ నెట్వర్క్. CDNS అంటే కంటెంట్ డెలివరీ నెట్వర్క్ సర్వీస్. మెయిన్గా వాట్ ఈస్ CloudFront CDNS అంటే get started with Amazon CloudFront. Amazon CloudFront is the fast content delivery network (CDN) service that secure delivery data, videos, applications, API customers, and globally with the low latency, higher transfer, and speeds all within the developer-friendly environment. CloudFront and S3. CloudFront is interlinked with user. Mainly how to CDN work is CloudFront delivery your content through a worldwide network data centers called edge locations. When a user requests content, you are the servicing with the CloudFront. The user routed edge location that provides the lowest latency, that is nothing but time delay, so that content is delivered within the time possible performance. We can use CDN. CloudFront distribution is create one through buckets, and we can store all files here, and we can distribute through buckets to all the servers. And ఇప్పుడు బకెట్ నేమ్ ఒకటి ఇస్తే యూనిక్ అండి, అది మళ్ళీ ఆ నేమ్ ఇవ్వడానికి మనకు ఉండదు. We can see what is the main benefit is CloudFront allows to business and developers to deliver the distributed content to the end users within high data transfer speed and low latency, which ensures immediate response from the website as soon as user research for information. Web distribution is used to deliver content such as HTML, CSS, image files, or HTTP or HTTPS. And RTMP is used for media streaming using Adobe Media Server and Adobe Real-Time Messaging Protocol. And CloudFront rule is edge location are not only read only, you can also write them. Objects are captured from the life of the TTL, that is nothing but time to life. You can clear capture objects, but you will be charged from them. Demonstration shows how to Amazon S3 CloudFront distributions identify the S3 server from the which CloudFront pulls file user request from them. First Amazon desktop ఓపెన్ చేయాలండి. డెస్క్టాప్ ఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ మీకు S3 అనేది కనబడుతుంది స్టోరేజ్ లో. S3 అనేది క్లిక్ చేయాలి. స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుంది అందరికి. S3 అనేది క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత క్రియేట్ బకెట్ అని ఉండిద్దండి. Create a bucket for press చేయాలి. We saw how to create bucket from previous classes. We can name like what you want wish. Name ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. సింపుల్ అండ్ CloudFront అనేది ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ కొట్టుతాం మనం. ఇక్కడ రీజియన్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి సిడ్నీ తర్వాత క్రియేట్ బకెట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం. సిడ్నీ అనే రీజియన్ పెట్టినాం. సో రీజియన్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మనం సిడ్నీ పెట్టాం కాబట్టి సిడ్నీ అని చూపిస్తుంది. క్రియేషన్ డేట్ దాని మీద ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ద బకెట్ సింపుల్ అండ్ క్లౌడ్ ఈజ్ ఎంటీ. మనం ఏం దాంట్లో ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఎంటీ అని చూపిస్తుంది. మనం దాంట్లో కావాలంటే ఫైల్స్ లైక్ సార్ చూడండి ఫిగర్ లో, మన ఫైల్ కావాలంటే ఫైల్, వీడియో కావాలంటే వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అప్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం పబ్లిక్ కావాలంటే పబ్లిక్ పెట్టచ్చు, ప్రైవేట్ కావాలంటే ప్రైవేట్ పెట్టచ్చు. సెట్ పర్మిషన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి యాడ్ మోర్ పార్టిసిపెంట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ పెట్టేస్తే మన అందరికి కనబడిద్దండి ఇది. లేకపోతే సెట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్స్ కి కనబడాలంటే మనం లిమిటెడ్ పీపుల్స్ కి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. అప్లోడ్ డన్ అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ లింక్ అనేది కనబడుతుంది, మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన బకెట్ యొక్క లింక్ అండి ఇది. దట్ యా షోన్ ది ఫిగర్ సింపుల్. ఈ యొక్క ఫిగర్ మనం ఈ ఇమేజ్ ని మనం బకెట్ లో క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఆ లింక్ నొక్కగానే మన ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసిన ఇమేజ్ అనేది మనకు కనబడుద్ది. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ డాష్ బోర్డ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి క్లౌడ్ ఫ్రంట్ అనేది కనబడుతుంది కదా, క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్. క్రియేట్ ఏ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ అని ఉంటుంది, వీ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్. Get started. Create CloudFront. Origin domain name. We give an origin name. It is simple and we can create on previous bucket. Click on that. Origin path. And origin ID. Use new identity. And next comment access identity simple and CloudFront. We need not to change any of this. CloudFront is not an unknown service any longer. It is the content delivery web service that is integrates with the other Amazon services. CloudFront allow business and developers to deliver and distribute the content of the end users with the high data transfer speed with low latency. Imagine that is you run a high traffic blog or website, you may have some issues that may be facing. ఎప్పుడు అనేది మనం .png లోనే సేవ్ చేయాలండి. ఏ ఫైల్ కానీ వీడియో కానీ మనం ఏదైనా ఇమేజ్ కానీ PNG లోనే సేవ్ చేయాలి. JPG లో చేస్తే ఇది మనకు రెక్టిఫై చేయదు. సో మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన S3 బకెట్ అనేది ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుంది. అండ్ advantages of CloudFront is time saving mainly. CloudFront has web service interface which is pretty simple to use and it get you started within 30 minutes. It reduce effort, ensures productivity enhancement. And next, content privacy. We can enable Amazon CloudFront is private feature to regulate who can access your content and who cannot. This is one of the optional feature of Amazon CloudFront that we may use just in case we prefer not to make any content publicly visible. Next, geo-targeting. As the name suggests, Amazon CloudFront also detects the geographical areas or country where the end users accessing the content. This is the future may help any business to promote its product and service in the country where most end users are, and also it may help to start the marketing plan where people are not accessing the content or other website at all. In the addition to that, Amazon CloudFront facilitates geo restrictions as well, which is restrict the access to website content is any specific country or area where they prefer not to make our content web visible. And next, quick content delivery. Amazon CloudFront is used to CDN, that is nothing but content delivery network, to deliver the content. It uses HTTP or HTTPS or protocols to deliver the content and recognize the origin servers that contain the origin versions of our content by using URL rules that we configure, which result is quick delivery of the content want to search. And less expensive since we only pay for the data transfer and requests that we actually use. It saves a lot of money for us. Moreover, it is CloudFront content delivery network, which means we don't have to set up on all the locations where we operate our business from. We can set up CloudFront one location and it will be function for all. Invalidation. Amazon CloudFront also support removal of invalid files. Everyone has known the Google. It is the main search engine that uses to search everything and keeps on changing its rules, algorithms from time to time. And even after putting our conscious effort, writing the post and putting stuff on our sites, we might fall victim on Google algorithm. Therefore, we can utilize invalidation features and we can remove a number of files at the same time. Last thoughts. Well, we can go ahead and keep on discussing about Amazon CloudFront because it is such network that has so many features which can be benefits for us. At the end of the day, features are what we tell and benefits are what we sell. Post navigations, sale, resolution servicing, content from AWS, CloudFront using signed URL like that. And moreover, 7,864 companies use Amazon CloudFront in their teach stacks, including Air, Air, Airbnb and Spotify and Amazon, Dropbox, Packshare. Like these companies are also using Amazon CDN. Versions and control life cycles management. The context is the information solution. Version control is most often used for track and control changes to source code. It is the very important tool within overall lifecycle management strategy for information solutions. With With lifecycle management, you can use your existing document or source code control systems such as Oracle Universal Content Management or version system. The most effective approach to support artifacts file system, then important to the version control system before importing to the products. This approach can be automated in several ways depending on the production control tool used. For example, automation can be achieved by writing a script that first important to export artifacts to the version control system and then imports to the production system. By inserting the change in the process, we ensure that artifacts in the production system are always in the corporate version control system with the proper date metadata. Integration lifecycle management with existing workflow systems. You can integrate lifecycle management with existing workflow system using Java API or a command line utility. In most cases, the command line utility sufficient because the logic of the migration is captured in the migration definition file. The migration definition file, an XML file, can be created using lifecycle management functionality, shared services console, or it can be created programmatically by the workflow system. If you use the migration definition file created by shared services console, it must be programmatically modified to add the users in this credential must be plain text when inserted XML file, but will automatically encrypted the first time migration executed. Once migration definition file created, it can be invoked by production management system comfortable to line utility Java API. Overview of shared service console. Shared service console consists a view pane or task tabs. When you initially log in the shared services console display the view pane and a browse tab. The view pane is navigation framework when you can choose the objects such as user direction, user groups, roles, application groups, and applications. Typically detail your current selection. You browse the tab. Depending on the current configuration shared service console, list your existing object in the view pane. You can expand these objects listing to view details. For example, you can expand your user direction objects, view the list all configure user directions. You can also search configure user direction and groups. A shortcut menu accessible by right clicking an object is associated with some objects on the view pane. Shortcut menu associated with object in the view pane provide quickest method on perform operation shortcut. Change dynamically depending on what you select. The command is the shortcut menu is also available in menu bar. Buttons representing enable to menu option are displayed on the toolbar. Watson helps to recover accessible deletes or overview rights. We can give one photo or any file. We get one ID on the respective file or any, and we request to user or one versioning enabled. Cross-region replication. Cross-region replication is a bucket level feature that enables to automatically popping of object across the bucket from different AWS regions. MFA delete. Amazon S3 version control. Already we discussed in previous class. We go to Amazon S3 and create a bucket. We give one name. Already we discussed in is this one bucket create చేసి ఫైల్ అనేది ఎలా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలనేది మనం ఆల్రెడీ చూసాము. సో launching shared service console. You use menu option and Oracle High Performance Management workspace into access shared service console. సో మనం ఒకసారి ఏమేమి డిస్కస్ చేసామో చూద్దాం. డిజైన్ హై లెవెల్ అవైలబిలిటీ, కాస్ట్ ఎఫిషియంట్, ఫాల్ట్ టాలరెంట్, ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తామండి. హౌ టు డిజైన్ క్లౌడ్ అనేది ఎలా డిజైన్ చేయాలి, హైబ్రిడ్ క్లౌడ్ ఇవన్నీ, అండ్ ఐడెంటిటీ యాక్సెస్ ఐడెంటిటీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆల్సో వి నో. How to create an instance, how to insert the files, and VPS, how to create virtual private cloud, బకెట్స్ అనేది ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, వర్చువల్ ప్రైవేట్ క్లౌడ్ అనేది ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, సెక్యూరిటీ గ్రూప్స్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అనేది అన్ని చూసాం. అండ్ ఎలాస్టిక్ క్లౌడ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ EC2 ఆల్సో వి డిస్కస్. These five are main components: elastic cloud compute and VPC and IAM and designing availability of high cost efficiency tolerant. Am I clear? Hello? Hello?